Hello, this is Joan Award and welcome once again to our Ilonggo channel. I know it's been a while. I'm sorry that I've been in hibernation for quite some time. I just didn't have the drive to create videos for quite some time, but my energy was focused elsewhere, and that's into my being a visual artist, particularly being a painter. So I've been focusing a lot of my energy there, and that's why I haven't visited my YouTube channel, but now I'm back. So sorry I've been away that long. Okay, for our Ilonggo word for this session, like for me, I'm sorry. So sorry in Ilonggo means it's a challenge. Well, you can say I'm sorry. That's simple. But to be literal, Ilonggo about it is pasensya. Pasensya na. So pasensya na, sorry already, that means, or patience. Literally, that's patience. Be patient on me because, I have my shortcomings. So I'm sort of asking for your patience. So that's what an Ilonggo is sorry about. So being sorry. So the longer word for that is nagapangayo ako sang inyo pasensya. So I'm asking for your forgiveness or patience. Actually, the literal term is patience. So there, pasensya lang gid. Sorry about that because it took me quite some time. Na dugayan. Dugay means a long time. Slow, dugay, or slow, a long time, and then nadugayan, so it's taking time, nadugayan. All right, so let's go and find out what's behind this door. Let's wear our mask because it's kind of stuffy in there. Alright, so let's get into one of our secret hiding places in this house, and this is our storage room. Ta-da! Alright, this is a storage space where I could also squeeze in, and so I've made some kind of Japanese wrap on the floor so it would look nice. So look at there. But I ran out of material, so maybe I'll use this instead for this area. What do you think? And these are old materials that I have had. I used them for a different purpose. Now what I'm going to do is to remove the sticker back in and try to stick this on the surface that I'm holding. The Ilonggo word for stick is tapik. Tapik, that's to stick, and to make it really neat is called hipid. So, itapik natin na hipid, or hipid nga pagtapik. A neat way of sticking. Showing you the completed flooring of this little storage space. I'm done sticking. Tapos na ko patapik. So that's it. And I'm right on the other side of this little tunnel of the storage space. So still a lot of work to be done right here in our loft house. I'll see you until then in the next video. Bye for now. This is Joan Award.